Hi, Governor Cuomo. Thank you very much for being with us. Can you
Can
listen?
Can I ask you a question first? How do you have this camera working that we can see you talking into the camera?
You're a very smart guy. I wanted to record this Zoom meeting, but it is not letting me do so. So I'm using the other phone to record my question and your answer.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, Mr. Governor, thank you very much for being with us. My question is, and this is also a question in the minds of a lot of New Yorkers. And question is, would you like to share your thoughts that how do you figure out that you are gonna win November 4th election? And please respond this question by keeping your political opponents' views and claims that they are ahead in polls, and then some are of the view that as long as Curtis Sliwa is in the race, it would be very hard for you to win the race. And my last part of the question is, would you like to seek endorsement from Mayor Eric Adams, sir?
Okay. Here's the bottom line. The current numbers are 43 Zoran, 33 me, 15 Curtis Sliwa. Curtis Sliwa cannot win. He's the Republican. That's why, to my friend who's the chairman of the Republican committee, the Republican has no chance. I'm a Democrat. Zoran is a socialist. That's the only two people who can win, me or Zoran. So the choice is between a Democrat or a socialist. Not a South Asian and an Italian, a Democrat and a socialist. Curtis is at 15 points. Some people say Curtis Sliwa is going to drop out. I don't know. But some people think he's going to drop out because the Republicans don't want Zoran to win. Trump has said he thinks Zoran is a communist, and he thinks it would be terrible for a communist to win New York City. So Curtis, as the Republican, may drop out. If he does not drop out, I don't believe Republicans are going to vote for Curtis at the end of the day, knowing that he can't win. And a vote for Curtis is a vote for Mamdani. A vote for Curtis is a vote for Mamdani. And Trump even tweets, basically, a vote for Curtis is a vote for Mamdani. So I think the Republicans are going to follow Trump's advice, which is we can't elect Mamdani because he's a communist, and Curtis has no chance of winning. So I don't think the 15 for Curtis is there on election day. I think I get the bulk of the 15. Mm-hmm. That's how I think I win. I am going to seek the endorsement of Eric Adams. And I think if I had to guess, I would guess that he would endorse me, but he hasn't said anything yet.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.